How to lower the screen resolution in Parsec. So Parsec by default streams the screen using the host's display resolution, and to change or lower that you can go to the settings and then host tab and scroll down, and where it says resolution, make sure to switch it from use client or keep host to your preferred lower resolution. So for example 1280 by 720, and it will flash your screen for a second. And once you change that, you can basically scroll down and find the FPS as well, and you can either keep it the same or lower if you want to lower the FPS. And now you want to go back to the computers tab and just connect to the host computer, and the resolution should change, and it should use the host resolution, which is 1280 by 720 or any resolution you've set depending on the settings. You can also try to lower the bandwidth on or from the host settings if you're having laggy or delayed experience by trying to set the bandwidth limit to 10 or something like that. That should improve the performance. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.